I know you mentioned, you were talking at the start of the newscast, sort of that once you clear that front, we're done.
It's
right?
done.
Okay.
I mean, it is cooler air will be moving in, drier air will be moving in. Once the front passes you, I mean, that shuts down any sort of threat for storms and severe weather the remainder of the evening. The almighty cap has been holding strong, and I'm totally fine with that.
Yeah.
You know, it looked a little bit weaker yesterday when we were kind of looking at today, and then this morning, you know, when we start to sample the atmosphere, it's like, it's looking a little stronger.
Certainly warm enough out there.
Yeah. Well, some of the clouds we had around this afternoon, I think, may have kept us just slightly cool enough to help, you know, not to be warm enough for us to break the cap in DFW. So it's still possible across eastern, southern portions of North Texas, northeastern North Texas, basically anybody in the watch, which is anybody in pink, could see a storm between now and 11 o'clock this evening. But when I show you the front here in a second, really it's about to be out of Collin County and Dallas County. So the DFW Metroplex area, I mean, the window for storms in and around DFW is rapidly closing, especially for Collin County, because here's the front. I mean, it's almost halfway through Dallas County right now. Some storms trying to pop up near the Bonham area, and some storms in central Texas have gone severe along that front. So that's what can happen if the cap breaks. Storms rapidly explode. You get severe weather with some hail and strong winds underneath those storms. But as of right now, the cap has been holding strong in and around North Texas, and especially around DFW. The radar actually picking up the front there is dust and birds and insects, probably more so dust and insects, kind of get picked up by the change in the wind direction. We can actually see the front on the radar even when there aren't any storms happening. So here it is. I mean, it's moved through almost all of Collin County now, about halfway through Dallas County. And here before 7 o'clock, it'll probably be all the way through Dallas County. So that's your window for storms, at least in DFWs here in the next 30 to 45 minutes or so as that front continues to move east and southeast. But because we still have several more hours to go before the front moves through the majority of North Texas, that's why we'll still keep a threat for some storms to pop up across eastern and southeastern areas over the next several hours. And the threats with those, as I mentioned, would be a hail threat and a strong wind threat, perhaps hail up to the size of quarters, maybe an instance of golf ball size hail, and some strong wind gusts 60 miles an hour or so. But any storms will be very isolated. It's not like we're just going to see widespread storms across eastern and southeastern North Texas. We're dry as we head into tomorrow morning. Clouds will be around, but I do have more rain chances as we head into the weekend. In the meantime, today was warm. Yes, 86 degrees, but it took warmer temperatures than that to break the cap, so we didn't quite get there. The winds have shifted out of the northwest behind the front, so now it's down to 83. Oak, hickory, and sycamore, all moderate on the pollen count. Fungus is low, and hopefully pollen goes down this weekend because of the cooler temperatures and the fact that I have a decent chance for rain this weekend as well. Most of Friday's dry, maybe a stray shower storm, but look what happens by Saturday morning. Widespread rain is out there, on and off rain throughout the day on Saturday. May not rain constantly everywhere, but there will be rain around the majority of the day on Saturday. It all will move out as we head through Sunday, so your Sunday will be mostly dry for us, so not an entire washout of a weekend, but Saturday certainly looking wet, maybe 1 to 2 inches of rain across the area. Breezy and much cooler tonight. Any storms that are out there will come to a close. 56 tomorrow morning, and then only 71 tomorrow afternoon. And as I showed you, even cooler Saturday and Sunday. 65 Saturday, 64 on Sunday. Your Sunday morning, your Monday morning, easily well down in the 50s for lows. In fact, Monday morning may even see some places in the 40s.
Oh my gosh.
Quickly warming up, though, as we're back in the 80s toward the end of the second half of that next week and into that weekend. So that's why I said earlier, I mean, highs in the 60s, it may be a little while before we see those again. I mean, because we're getting through spring here and we know summer's around the corner, and I mean, it might be October before we're talking about highs in the 60s again. So if you like cool weather,
this is it.
Enjoy that.
Yeah.